Hi there, Luke Kersey, Finance Manager here at Country Chevrolet to bring you this edition of our Pick of the Week. Today we are checking out this beautiful 2021 Chevy Silverado 1500 RST in the custom-styled Black Widow Edition by SCA Performance. This truck comes loaded with all the premium options from the factory, including the hard-to-find 6.2-liter V8, giving you maximum power, and then was custom outfitted by our friends at SCA Performance to make this custom truck really stand out. Let's check it out. First, let's take a look at the SCA Performance upgrades that make this truck a true Black Widow edition. The SCA options include the rare and exclusive SCA Matte Gray Signature Custom Paint, this new and unique Black Widow Custom Front Grille, wide color-matched fender flares, an SCA 6-inch lift system which makes room for the larger 35-inch BF Goodrich tires, which provide you with a more aggressive tread while also maintaining a smooth and quiet ride on the road. These tires are then wrapped around the new 22-inch Black Widow exclusive wheels, which add a bit more of an offset, giving this truck a great stance. With the new wheel and tire upgrade, they also have added the SCA speedometer calibration to keep all of the gauges accurate with the larger tire setup. The Black Widow Edition also adds the Black Amp Research power side steps, complete exterior custom Black Widow Edition badging, custom Black Widow gauges, plush leather seats with custom stitching along with Black Widow embroidered headrests, and much more. As a factory RST edition, this truck comes from the factory with the complete color-matched exterior trim elements, including bumpers, gloss black mirror caps, LED headlights and LED running lights, spray-in bed liner, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, backup camera, Bose premium sound, and much more. And remember, Country Chevrolet is proudly offering our entire sales process online, which means you can select your new or pre-owned vehicle, trade in the old vehicle, arrange financing, complete all paperwork, and even have your vehicle delivered right to your driveway. Just let your sales representative know how we can best serve you. Be sure to follow Country Chevrolet on Facebook and Instagram for daily updates of our inventory right in your news feeds. Country Chevrolet, where big city selection and savings meets small town hospitality.